Hello bakers! Today we are decorating boho themed cookies. I am Sophia the Hobbit. Design it, 3D print it, bake it, decorate it. The arrow! So many ways to do this cookie. Start with an outline and then a flood. I made this cookie cutter so that it could be used for any style of arrow. I also did some macrame cookies with it. All these cutters were made by me, and the files are available for you to 3D print for free. The links are in the description. I wanted some flowers, so I added a single white swirly rose and threw in some leaves. And then painted a little hint of gold. I used an egg white royal icing, and my favorite consistency is a 15. However, I did use a 20 for a lot of these details. If you don't know what counting is or struggle with consistency, please check out my royal icing recipe video below. The rainbow is probably my favorite cookie next to the dreamcatcher. Just gotta pick a nice set of colors and try to change it up a little with dots or leaves, and boom! Boho rainbow. If you want more ideas, I'm going to share more videos from other cookie artists that helped me learn how to do this boho style. The links are going to be below. The feather can be done so many ways. I like this double style look where there's a hint of color under the feather line things. Then changing it up with a little white between each kind of pulled it all together. The dreamcatcher would have been better if I'd used a food marker to map out where the icing goes. I wish I had done that, but they turned out pretty good. The links for these free 3D cookie cutter files are below. Print your own cutters, save some money. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Shout out to BeerNotBabies on Twitch. Green hair, who dis? Amazing streamer. Come check her out, you will love it.
You're not working with Noodle. I love that for you. Absolutely love that for you. It's so good.
Thank you for watching. They're super fun. Oh, my light fell on it. It squished my flower, but it's okay.
Done, okay.
Boho rainbow.